Take science, arts or commerce. Is their marks decide which course? Well, today's video is being made by consideration of those people who just about to complete their 12th exam and now they're confused which course they should take, they should go to college or not, or what should they really do. Should they really go to college or should they just start job or business? I have done it. I'm going to tell you with my personal experience. So just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like, and please make sure to watch the video by the end. So let's get started. Speaking of college, first let me tell you that it's completely waste of time. Okay, before I start talking about that should you really go or not, this college is really waste of time. I really don't know why people go and waste their time. Maybe usually just because their parent got too much money. But I have only request for people who are middle class. 95% of students after high school they go to college and they don't complete their graduation. Seems like they just go to college to have some experience, and because they have been grown up by seeing movies that college is so fun. They can wear whatever dress they wanna wear and they can make girlfriend. So these are the things people, these are the things kid or teenagers stay excited about going college, not for graduation, because college is just a waste of time. College is just a waste of time. If you really wanna do something, then you must be thinking what field you wanna go in. Like if you really wanna be something based on study, like you wanna be doctor, engineer, lawyer, or whatever, then as per that you have to decide which field you wanna go. Usually students don't decide which course they wanna take, science, arts or commerce. It's their marks decide which course they wanna take it. Do you know that? Means like if they got low marks, then of course arts or commerce. So we don't usually decide which course we wanna take it, right? It's just our marks. Jokes apart, I really don't understand why 95% of middle class family kid, they go to college and they just waste their time just to make girlfriend, just to make friendship, and after completing graduation, then they realize it was completely useless. There was no use of graduation. Then they start doing job, which job they can do without graduation certificate. So why the hell you waste your time, your money, your parent money? Don't do that. My message to all of you, don't go to college. Don't go to college unless you're really thinking to go. If you really want to be doctor, then go to medical college. If you really want to be lawyer, then go to lawyer college or law degree. It means you don't need to waste your time. After 12, just decide what you want to be. If it's related with job, do a specific degree. Have a diploma specifically. Okay? Don't waste 3 years of your life, especially for those who just go to college to make girlfriend and just do friendship and do roaming and traveling. For those, I just want to say only one thing: what 3 year, 4 year you wanna waste in college, okay, and waste your waste of your money, waste of your time. Don't do that. Just make a passport. Just go to Middle East country, and the reason I'm telling you to go to Middle East country, because going Middle East country is very, very, very easy. In just 30 days you can go to Middle East country without too much money, without too much effort, because in India, in Pakistan, agents are so many. You can earn really good salary job than working in your own country. So what I'm saying is, what 3 year, 4 year you're gonna waste in college, if 4 year you earn in Middle East country and save those money, so you will have enough money to start any business in your home country. So it's completely up to you. Either you go college and waste those time. Okay, that's what I did. Rather than wasting my time in college, I made a passport. I just gone to Middle East country. First I go in Qatar, then I came to Dubai, then now I'm in Abu Dhabi. So rather than wasting my 4 year in college, it means I spent those years in making money, and now I have enough money that I can go back to my country and I can start some business. And those my friend who didn't go, who said to me that it's a wrong decision, those who completed graduation, so they are earning so less salary job and they're gonna be working their entire life as a servant. So you can understand, right? So I think I really did right thing. The decision of mine to not complete graduation and go to Middle East country to make money, it was really right, because now I have capital to start any business. And after starting business, I will hire those people who completed graduation. So you can imagine what's good. I didn't complete my graduation and I used that time to make money to start one business. in that business I will keep those people who didn't go middle class country, who wasted their time in college making girlfriend, doing friendship. That's all. Choice is up to you. Either you wanna be the person who starts business and keep those people who just don't go serious with life and go to college and waste their time. Choice is completely up to you. Either to be owner or to be employee. So if you go college for girl and friendship and bike and all this, because I've done it little bit, so I know. So it's completely up to you. Either you be your own boss or you work under boss. But trust me, you're gonna be liking when you are a boss. You ain't gonna be liking when you are working under any boss. So as a brother to brother, I'm just suggesting you don't waste your time in college unless you have too much money, means your parents got too much money. Because usually college are for those whose parents are so rich, they can finance them. Their parents say to them that they just go and make girlfriend, fuck them and waste their time. So that's what I'm saying. If you got responsibility, then I shouldn't be telling you to go in college and waste your time. Use that time to make money, then start business with that money and stay with your family. That's how simple it is. That's how simple it is.